Do you want to know how to make a gem?
Again.
Do you want to know how to make a gem?
Yes.
You start off with a square. Then you put a line in each corner.
Yeah, sorry, the mic was a bit awkward with that cord there, but it should work.
Then you connect the lines. And there you go. You can add this too.
Here you go, Heather.
Oh, thank you. What?
2 swords.
Oh, cool. All right. Thank you, Drew.
And bigger gems.
What?
Oh, gems within gems.
Don't even. Yeah.